I launch my kayak alone all the time pretty much. And there's a couple of things that I do to make it a little more safe that I wanted to share with you guys real quick in this short video. So the first thing I do is I wear my PFD whenever I launch and recover the kayak. And the reason for that is if I were to slip and fall and hit my head on the trailer or the ground, geese distracted me, and become unconscious and there's nobody around to help me, the PFD is going to save my life. And you can't tell me that you've never slipped or fallen or almost slipped and fallen on a boat ramp. So I wear my PFD. The other thing I do is I always keep at least the driver's side window down when I back down the ramp, usually the passenger side and the driver's side. That's in case I accidentally end up in the water. I want to be able to get out of the vehicle. Stuff happens. Left foot does what right foot's supposed to do, or you cross your wires, you forget to put it in park. Something always happens, right? So I keep the windows down. The other thing I do is before I get out of the vehicle, I shift it into park and I put the emergency brake on. All of these steps only take a couple of seconds and they just make things a lot safer when you're launching, especially by yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.